I've been saying for the last couple months that Get Grass is going to be the easiest airdrop of 2024. It's completely passive. All you need to do is install a Chrome extension and set it and forget it. And you now have 2 weeks left as of this video today to get into that airdrop. Let me show you how. So as you can see on the official Get Grass Twitter account, tomorrow Epic 7 is the final epic in the Grass closed beta. And as you can see over here under rewards, the final Epic 7 is going to last until August 14th at 11:59 p.m. Meaning that you have, again, just 2 weeks from this video today to farm Get Grass. My expectation is that after August 14th, for about 2 weeks or so, we will find out the details of the token generation event and thus the airdrop for Grass and how that will work. So if you're already farming Get Grass, make sure you run that uptime as much as you possibly can over the next 2 weeks to maximize your airdrop. And if you haven't signed up yet or farmed Get Grass at all, go ahead and keep watching this video or skip to the next chapter and I'll show you guys exactly how to do that. It is literally the easiest and most passive airdrop you will find. You're gonna go to grass.matscrypto.com and then register for your account. You'll then see this page right here or the dashboard page. What you'll then want to do is go over to the store page right here, and then you can download the Grass Chrome extension. You'll click download and it's going to bring you over to the Chrome web store. And then the Grass extension will pop up right here on the top right under your extensions bar on Chrome. You can click on it and then you can click login with the same information you just put in over here, which again will pop up when you go to grass.matscrypto.com. Then you click access my account. Then once you've logged in, clicking on this, you should have a connected signal. This is going to mean that you're already farming. That's it. You are already done. This is everything you need to do is literally sign up, download the Chrome extension and sign into the Chrome extension. Once you've done that, you should already be connected and you are earning points actively. So now that you've signed up, connected, and are earning Grass points, what do these points mean and what are we actually farming? Grass is an AI data layer project, meaning that when you install this extension, what you are actually doing is allowing them to use your unused internet bandwidth to help train AI models. So if you have the extension installed and you're not using your computer for 12 hours of the day while you're sleeping or at work or doing other things, then you are actually passively farming for this project just by having that extension on your computer and having your computer turned on. Now, that does make this the most passive and easiest airdrop farm ever because there's no actual transactions you need to do. There's no capital you need to put in. There's no social engagement you need to do. There's no games you need to play. It's simply a browser extension that is utilizing your internet bandwidth to contribute to a network. So that's something you're comfortable with. I'd suggest moving forward in the video. And if that's something that you're not comfortable with, then I would just X out and go watch another one of my videos. So the next step after you've installed and connected your web extension, you need to go and add your Solana wallet to your account because now we're getting very close to the airdrop, which is going to be on the Solana blockchain. And in order to get the tokens during the airdrop, you need to convert these Grass points into tokens, which will only happen if you have your wallet connected. So the first thing you need to do is log on to this page right here under rewards, and you're gonna need to verify your email address. You've already signed up with an email address, but now you need to just go and verify it. Then once you do that, you're gonna actually go ahead and connect your wallet. If you ever wanna change that or your email, you're just gonna click your little icon right here and you can either change your email on this button, change your username right here, or if you've already connected your wallet, you'll click this right here and click change wallet. But once you're connecting a wallet for the first time, this is the page that's gonna pop up. You'll click Phantom and then you connect your Phantom wallet. Once you've done that, you're gonna get a verification email from Get Grass, making sure you want to connect that wallet to your account, and then your wallet will be confirmed over here in your dashboard. Once you're finished, you're gonna have all three of these checked off and you're done for now. You've connected your Solana wallet to your Grass account and you can go back to doing absolutely nothing and letting this thing passively farm for however long we have until the airdrop actually happens. That's all there is to this airdrop. It is, again, super passive. You sign up on grass.matscrypto.com. You go and download the Chrome web extension. You sign into your account on the web extension and you are literally done. That's all you have to do. You can refer your friends and get referral rewards. So if you want to do that as well, it's on the referral program tab on the dashboard. Okay, that's all I have for you guys today. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content just like this. Say hello, Marley, in the comments down below. And then before you head out, go over and watch this video because if you like this video, you're not going to want to miss this one right here.